Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store. You will be able to follow my steps. First of all, if you've got the internet connection, make sure you've got one. And if you are logged into your Google account, you can check how to do it by watching our tutorial of how to add and remove a Google account in this device. So let's enter the Play Store. Now tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is basically your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage. And here we've got the list of all installed apps, so let's tap on Updates Available to check which one can be updated. And here, if you want, you can mark all of those apps and update all, or you can choose 1, 2, or 3 apps. So let me choose maybe Google Chrome, Drive, and Google Maps, and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And right now, your device will download the updates. That's why we needed internet connection. And after that, the apps will be automatically updated. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you do not have to wait here. You can turn it off completely and everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.